All right. Let's talk about getting red hot leads to your business. I'm going to share 5 tips with you today on how you can do this organically starting today. All right, so let's get started with today's video. What's up, guys? Zeb here, and today we're going to be talking about some tips to generate hot leads to your business for 2019. Now, these are organic methods. They will get you between 10 and 20 leads to your business every single day. It's exactly how I do it, and I get 10 to 20 leads every single day into my business. All right, and I'm gonna share with you these methods. But before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Zeb Summers. I talk about make money online, affiliate internet digital marketing. I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle. Now, guys, if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, click that little notification bell, and drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see in the future. All right, guys, if you are interested in a passive income, one that can make you money, a full-time income online, this is exactly what I use to make my most money every month. Click the link down below, my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online, and I'll send you some information. All right, guys, let's get started with today's video. All right, guys, let's get to the meat of this, the whole reason why you came to this video. Some tips on getting hot leads. All right, so #1, product share. Okay, so what do I mean by that? I mean, guys, if you have a product to share, then do it with somebody else's audience. So what you want to do is you want to get together with somebody else, reach out to them, and do a product share. So have them share your product for a discount. All right, so maybe you can give them a small discount or a small commission on every item they sell of yours for doing the share of your product. All right, so what this does is it allows you to branch out of your audience into somebody else's audience. And this is great, especially if you have like a t-shirt business or a Shopify business that you're selling bracelets or hats or shirts or whatever you're selling. This is a great opportunity to branch out of your current audience. Okay, that's the first way to make your leads. #2, all right, Facebook groups. Now, guys, I've got thousands and thousands of leads from Facebook groups, and this can be a tricky subject because there are some grimy MFers out there that are in these groups just plastering them with freaking links and spam, blah blah blah. It's horrible, right? But there is a method to get good leads, and I'm going to share with you exactly what you need to do to get leads out of Facebook groups. One, you could create your own Facebook group, all right? Then you got full control. But what I would do, I would search, if you're doing whatever you're looking for, right? It could be weightlifting or whatever it is. Just do that search for your niche and join about 10 to 20 groups, all right? So you want to join about 10 to 20 groups, and you want to join those groups and start pushing out massive value to the groups, all right? Do not pitch nothing. Do not put any of your links to your lead magnets, nothing like that. Do Facebook Lives, drop videos, drop content that you're helping that audience, all right? So you want to provide as much value to that group as you possibly can. You want your name to get out there, and this is going to take about a month, all right? You want consistent post almost every single day, quick little post that provides value. And what's going to happen is you're going to build authority in those groups, and people are going to start to trust and like you, all right? So within those videos, what I recommend you do is point them to other videos to like your YouTube channel, and then from your YouTube channel, that's where you can promote your other lead magnets, all right? So that's a tip for getting tons of leads through Facebook groups. I'm talking about, guys, if you're consistent with this, I used to be real consistent with it. I'd pull in like 50 leads in one freaking day by doing that, but it takes a lot of time. All right, guys, it takes a lot of commitment because you want to build that authority, but you can't stop because there's so many new people coming into these groups that your name has to stay active. All right, so they have to recognize you, and they're going to actually be learning stuff from you. All right, so #3, sharing resources. All right. So you want to share resources. You want to help out, and you want to help out another complementary group. All right. Or brand. All right. Something that's complement to your brand. All right. So if you're selling t-shirts or if you're selling whatever it is, something that complements your brand, you want to reach out to that person and be like, you know what, let's combine forces and help each other out here. All right. So maybe we could do a video together, or we could write blog posts together, or whatever it is, but join forces and you share that person with your group, and that person shares you with their group. All right. And these shares are value added. All right. So it's not like the product share. What I'm saying is giving them discounts or some kind of small commission for selling your products. This is more like sharing resources. All right. So this would be like me having a guest speaker on one of my videos or something like that. All right. So that is a very powerful way to get leads from somebody else's network. All right. The fourth way is using quizzes. And what I mean by quizzes, surveys? No, quizzes. All right. You see them all the time on Facebook, answer these 5 questions to see what what personality you are, whatever it is. Build a quiz. All right. And what it does is it gets people interested. All right. So they want to take the quiz to get the answer. And what you do is you build this quiz out. All right. You could use a product like onlinequizgenerator.com, create your quiz. And what's going to happen is they're going to fill out your quiz, and then it's going to go to your landing page. All right. And it's going to ask for their name and email address. All right. As soon as they do that, then they'll go into your sales funnel. All right. So make sure you use quizzes, because in order for them to get the answer to the quiz, they got to put their name and email address, and that's a lead. All right. So I'm going to take this one right into the next one, which is number 5, the email signature. Guys, people miss this all the time, because in your email signature, you put a link. Not only a link, but you could put your branding. All right. So you could put your logo, your name. People see that. All right. They click on the link. It could be a lead magnet. All right. Something that gathers them. It could be your quiz. All right, that you just created. It could be your quiz. You could put in your signature. Hey, take this quick quiz to get this. All right. And people click on it, fill out the quiz, and then enter their name and email address. Bam. That's another way to get some leads. Now, guys, if you use these 5 tips, there is no reason why you can't get 10 to 20 new leads every single day, as long as you're consistent. And guys, these are hot leads because they're coming from you. All right. They're coming from you. All right. So they're understanding who you are. You're going to start building trust in different communities and start building your network even bigger to get more leads in the future. All right. I hope these tips were useful and helpful for you guys to get more tips. Get out there, do it, make that money, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace out.